Hi, I'm Clint Cantwell, editor of Grilling.com, and today we're grilling up some scallops and shrimp in a warm bacon vinaigrette. Let's get started by making our vinaigrette. I've got a preheated skillet, and I'm going to add to that 2 tablespoons of delicious bacon fat, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, about a 1/4 cup of crumbled cooked bacon, a little salt, a little cracked black pepper. Place that on the grill to get it warm while we get our scallops and shrimp ready. I've got some U21 to U25 shrimp, which means you're getting 21 to 25 shrimp per pound, and some very beautiful large scallops. Season both sides of your scallop and shrimp liberally with salt and cracked black pepper. And get them on the grill. Our grill is fiery hot. We're at about 500 degrees. You don't want to overcook scallops. Just give them a nice sear on both sides. The shrimp as well. They'll take no more than 4 or 5 minutes per side. Close that up, let them cook, and then we'll come back and flip them in about 4 minutes. So the shrimp and scallops are looking beautiful. Got some nice color on them. And the shrimp are starting to turn from a white to a nice pink. We'll cook for 5 more minutes on that side. Get that warm bacon vinaigrette on top of them and get them served. So our shrimp and scallops are ready. The warm vinaigrette is smelling delicious. Now it's time to plate them up. I've got a little bit of arugula in the center there. Place the scallops around the arugula. Take those skewers of shrimp, slide the shrimp onto the plate over the arugula. And then we'll grab our warm vinaigrette over the shrimp and scallops. Bacony goodness, scallopy goodness, shrimpy goodness. That's our grilled shrimp and scallop with warm bacon vinaigrette. I hope you enjoyed it. I sure know I enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in.